What's up, everybody? It's me, Sont Roos. We're gonna do a little vlog today. We're gonna do something a little different. I got some goodies though. So moved into this house. I was using some pieces of equipment that I had at the previous home. All right, the desk is mainly the piece that I wanted to improve on. So me and the wifey took a little trip down to IKEA. Picked up some home goods, if you will. So I'm gonna show you all. Actually, let me just rotate this camera around here. We got ourselves some goodies. Got me a desk. Got me a new little workstation, if you will. Got the wife a hey wife, what did we get you?
A cart.
We got the wife a little cart for her room.
An island cart.
This is the wife.
Hi.
Say hi, Abby.
Hi, Abby.
We got her a little cart. So IKEA was amazing. I don't know if y'all ever been to IKEA before. This is my first time in IKEA. It was pretty wild. I felt like a little kid in a candy store. Walked around, they had aisles, they had like little rooms set up. They had like little spaces, you know, where you could like foresee where your vision was going with how you wanted your room to be set up. It was interesting. They had all kinds of stuff there, but I basically bought myself a brand new computer desk. It's like 61 inches by like 30, I don't know, like 25, I don't know. I'll get the details later on in the video. But I basically got myself a brand new gaming desk with a nice real wood top. Bought the legs separate from it. I also got a little dresser for our bedroom. Okay, we got a little dresser. That way I get 3 drawers. Wife gets 3 drawers. That one's black. We got her a cart for her, a couple tumblers, business that she does. That way it's like a little island. It's like a little kitchen island type thing on wheels. That way she can move it around her office. That way she can have like a little workstation to build her cups and package her cups and all that cool stuff. So we're gonna go show you all what the old current game room looks like. We just moved here last week, so I just kind of threw everything in there, got my PC set up, and I wanted a place to stream. So I'm gonna go in there and show y'all what show you all what the old gaming room looks like. All right, and then we'll do a little time lapse or something of me opening up all these boxes and putting all this crap together, because apparently everything in IKEA got put together itself. It doesn't come pre-made. So we'll do a little time lapse or something of that, and then a little video of me getting the new room set up, and then we'll put together the final piece for y'all. Be right back. This is where magic happens. This is the laboratory right here. This is my little gaming setup I got. Cable management, bad. Current desk, bad. Space available for all my goodies, bad. But this I got my little chair right here. Got a little American flag in the background to spice up my videos when I stream for you all. And I gotta say, everything looks much better with the lights out. That way I got all my RGB lights on, everything looks really cool. But this is the current little game room right here. All right, there's nothing much to it. Pretty plain, pretty simple, but it's kind of cluttered up right now. I got a new desk. It's gonna be right here. It's gonna replace this old black Walmart desk, which actually it's all right. It's not bad. It works. It's cheap, you know. But we're gonna be replacing this desk today. It might be a little difficult getting it put together, but I think we can pull it off, guys. I think we can pull it off. So let's go open these boxes up, put together the new desk, and let's get this room rearranged. So here we got the new desk topper. We'll open this bad boy up and see what old Sont Roos, aka real name John, bought today. This is the bottom of it. Look at this. Giant. Is there any doggies over there?
No.
So this is going to be the top to my new desk. This was from IKEA. From IKEA, $100. $100 for this top. Yeah, it's just like little dust marks. It's basically just a big giant chopping block that you can like mount legs to, and legs on the next box. All right, so right here in the room, I got some things a little torn apart there. Got some of my stuff here torn apart. Right now, we got the old table out with the old and in with the new. Got the old table out, got the new table in here. I figured I better put it together in the room because of the size. It might be a little hard to get it from the kitchen in here. So we're just gonna put the room together, put the table together in the room. Get some of these legs undone. So here's the legs I got from IKEA. They come in these little packages like this. They're, I don't know if it has the inches on it. I don't know, like 20-something inches. So I got 4 of them. They're only $4 a piece for the legs. And the tabletop, like this big chunk of wood here, is only like, I don't know, like 90, 100 bucks, something like that. I didn't really do a whole lot of shopping. I'm guessing that's probably a decent price for a big desk. But I didn't want anything with drawers in it. I didn't want anything that took up room underneath the table because I wanted a nice clean look. And I don't want to have a bunch of junk up underneath the table. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to do some cable management the cheap way until I could do it the proper professional way. But I think we're on the right track, you know? I think we're on the right track. So we're gonna put these tables, so we're gonna put these legs on here, if I could get my words right, and see if we can't get this thing put up here in about 10 minutes or so. Step 1, bolt down all of these things here, and then you just screw the leg in. It's too easy. So all of these, so these are the plates that the table came with. You basically just take these, you drill them down onto the table topper here, and then you'll take the end of this, it's got a screw in it, you probably can't see it. You'll take the end of this, and then you'll just screw it right down onto the thing, and then that's it, you're done. Hey, there's one leg on there. Alright, so here is the new desk, y'all. It's upside down right now. Can't really play video games on it sitting like this, but it's the bottom of it. The good thing I like about this desk is that when I get the trays, like the cable wire trays or whatever, like the wire trays, I could just drill those into this desk, no problem. It's gonna be super easy. Got the computer sitting over there in the corner. I got a bare wall right now. I will be decorating this room quite a bit in the future. And there's a chair. So let's get this bad boy set up. Wow, look at this. How nice this is. Look at this, should I plug this into the wall or the power strip? We're getting it. So I'm definitely gonna be getting some Bluetooth devices. I'll be getting some more Bluetooth devices when the time comes. But we're gonna roll with what we got. I am trying to empty out my whole bank account just yet. So, got the keyboard, got the flow pad, got the webcam, the Dell Curve monitor, it's 27 inches. I got the HP so I can see everyone's chit chatter down in the chat boxes. Now we're just gonna have to get everything plugged back in. And yeah, we'll have to get everything plugged back in. I got some black zip ties that we're gonna be using for cable management right now. It's not exactly what I'm gonna use, but until I get the cable trace drilled up underneath the desk, we're gonna roll some black zip ties. So let me get everything plugged in, get zip ties, get my brain collected here, and we should have a nice little setup. All right, everybody. We're almost there. We got the table where it needs to be. Computer's in. Monitors are placed. Lights are placed. Everything's pretty much where it needs to be, for the most part. We still have a lot of cable management to do, but I think I want to hold off on the cables until I just get the wire tray to put underneath, because I don't want to take the time to get things just how I want it, just for me to undo it to improve it later on. So I'm just gonna wait, get the wire trays later on. That way, I'm not wasting so much time doing something that's gonna be undone. But are you all ready? Are you guys ready to see this? It's clean, but not real clean. I mean, it's nice. I don't feel like my monitor's like up in my face anymore from that little Walmart table, but Bluetooth devices are gonna make things way better in the future. But like I said, I'm gonna make small little improvements and upgrades over time, but let's check this out. Dun dun dun. There it is. There's the setup. There we go, there's the setup. This is the workstation, the gaming studio, whatever you want to call it. This is where I'm going to be streaming from now on. Like I said, the only thing I'll have to do is cable management, and that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it. I hope you all like the setup. I will try to get some cool little shots here at the end for you all, with the lights off and the RGB lights and the room fully clean and functioning properly. Be sure to check out the YouTube channel, Sarnt Roos. Be sure to check out the Twitch, the Facebook, the TikTok, the Instagram. I got it all, y'all. All social media is Sarnt Roos. Go check your boy out. I really appreciate it. And I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this clips of the nice RGB lights out game time. See y'all in the next video. Peace.